It's already 10 in the evening. As you guys know, I'm already here in the province for over a year na. Siguro kulang-kulang 2 years na ako dito. And right now, since it's pandemic or COVID, di tayo makapunta sa spa or para magpa-facial or magpamasahe. So usually talaga, our option is to stay at home para mag-pamper sa sarili natin. We are doing our own thing para mag-facial or mag-mask. For today, I will be sharing you guys how I do my skincare routine. So now is the perfect time dahil I'm done with all my daytime errands. Like, wala naman kasi akong pasok ngayon, so I just clean the house, fix the laundry, ayun mo yun, the usual. So, naalagaan ko na yung mga manok natin at ating mga dogs. Usually, gabi talaga yung shower time ko. And ito, after mag-shower, dun ko ginagawa yung mga self-care moments. I really use lotion, guys. Body lotion. Since, wala, medyo tamad ako mag-body lotion. So kailangan ko talaga mag-moisturize ng skin. So, ito yung nakita kong body wash na nag-match talaga sa skin ko because it's a cream type body wash. And it's from Watsons. You can buy this, guys, for like buy one take one siya eh. So meron ako ditong dalawa. I leave this one at the toilet and this one is for the shower room. So ito. And for my hair, I've been using Pantene since I was young. And I also have here the Dove 1 Minute Serum. This one, we are using this one for a month now and so far it's really good. Ang bango niya. Hindi ko alam kung ano sa dalawa yung nagpapabango pero sobrang bango tsaka sobrang lambot ng buhok ko ngayon. But I think this one really makes a difference. It's 1 Minute Serum Conditioner. And guys, legit siya kasi sobrang as in lambot ng buhok ngayon and sobrang bango. Hindi ko alam. I think it really works for me. So, I love it. Hindi siya makati sa ulo, sa scalp. And yeah, I love it so much. Ito, gumagamit din ako ng St. Ives Blemish Control, but I rarely use this. Like, I use this siguro once or twice in a month. So, ayun. So, kung meron kang blemishes, nalalighten naman niya. So, it's good. Guys, I don't use whitening for my skin anymore just because I think medyo nagkakaedad na rin, alam mo yun. I'm already 33 and I'm turning 34 na actually this year. Parang feeling ko, the more you use whitening, the more it damages your skin for some reason. Ano lang yung may spot sa face ko, yun lang din yung ilalagyan ko ng like whitening. Pero my whole face is like moisturizing lang talaga yung ginagawa ko. So, I have been using organic coconut oil for like more than 2 years na, guys. So, yun lang yung nakagamot actually sa mga pimples ko. Although, nagkaka-pimples pa rin ako right now. Like, may mga blemishes pa rin ako. Ewan ko ba, hindi naman talaga siguro tumitigil just because of my hormones or siguro dahil sa stress din or lagi akong kulang sa tulog. But, yeah, coconut oil really works for me. So, dun talaga ako nagsistick. Yun talaga yung hindi nawawala sa beauty regimen ko, yung coconut oil. And later, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya ginagamit. Hindi naman talaga ako laging nag-facial or nag-beauty ritual. Pero as much as possible, hindi ko rin naman pinapabayaan yung skin ko. Kung ano yung kailangan niya, binibigay ko din. Kasi wala namang ibang magbibigay sa'yo kundi sarili mo lang best. So, kailangan self-care. May time ka rin para alagaan yung skin mo, yung sarili mo. So, I think I'm gonna take a bath now. So, nakita ko nyo naman kung ano yung mga ginagamit ko on my shower routine. But, yeah, kung gusto nyo sumama sa aking shower, then, let's go. Tingnan natin kung pwede. By the way, guys, this is our shower room. So, it is very usual to the Filipino bathroom na meron kaming, ang tawag dito, balde, tsaka tabo. So, that's a pail. Even though we have like a shower, we usually have this one, a pail, and the tabo. So, yeah. Let's take a shower. guys, now I'm done washing my body. And I just use facial soap for my face. So it's an herbal soap and it has malunggay extract, tsaka olive oil extract. So for me, lahat ng product na may olive oil, guys, is moisturizing product. So I've been using this soap for like siguro isang buwan na rin. Very moisturizing siya sa face, lalo na pag nagigising ako. Sobrang soft. Tapos parang iba yung glow ng skin ko kapag gumagamit ako nito. And it's not a whitening soap, by the way, ha. Talagang ano lang siya, good for acne-prone skin type, for dry skin type. Kasi ako medyo, iba yung skin ko kasi ngayon, minsan dry, minsan naman sobrang oily. Pero most of the time, parang mas oily ako talaga. So, nagmamatch tong soap na to sa skin ko. And I'm using this one, this facial scrub from Watsons. Ang ganda nitong ano na to. Ang tagal ko nang ginagamit to, siguro over 6 months na rin. 6 months, yeah. So, I just use this like this. Tapos, isa-scrub ko lang siya with the soap. And then yan, imamassage mo lang siya sa face mo. And yeah, napaka niya, useful niya for my skin routine. So, feeling ko, this one really cleanses your skin kapag imamassage mo siya like that. Okay. So, parang hindi ko na kailangan mag-exfoliate din ng skin or yung gumamit ng scrub kapag gumagamit ako nito. Kasi feeling ko talagang nalilinis niya even yung pinaka-pores ng skin ko. Kaya bihira na lang talaga ako gumamit ng St. Ives na blemish control dahil nga feeling ko, nagla-lighten up yung skin from the way I massage this one. Kaya, ayan. So, don't forget your neck. But yeah, for the sake of this vlog, gamitin natin yung St. Ives. Para talagang pak na pagising natin bukas is sobrang ganda ka, girl, ang peg natin tomorrow. So, we will see then. Pagkagising ko tomorrow, I will show how my skin looks like. If it's dry or oily. So, tomorrow natin malalaman. So, guys. So, ayan. I'm done with my shower. And while I do my peel-off mask, guys, I am gonna be watching Friends and have some wine para, alam mo yun, extra self-care. Kasi ito yung perfect time. Wine, watching your favorite movie or anything sa Netflix. So, this time, I usually turn off my phone kasi mas okay na, alam mo yun, hindi ka masyado nag-iisip. Marami kasing toxic sa, di ba? Maraming toxic sa social media. Kaya mas okay na wag ka muna mag-social media pag gumagawa ka ng self-care para, alam mo yun, na-absorb mo lahat ng self-care lang, self-love. So, let's start. Let's proceed to the second level of our skincare, which is, I'm gonna be using this peel-off mask that I bought from Watsons. It's the Beauty Trends peel-off masks. After that, we will do the moisturizing massage to our face. Pagkatapos nun, ganda mo, girl! Anyway, ayan. Gawin na natin yung mask kasi medyo matagal-tagal to. At anong oras na, guys? So, may try to. Ito. Pampatanggal to ng mga whiteheads, eh. Whiteheads, yeah. Hindi okay lang. Pero pwedeng i-cut. Takbo-takbo ka. Yan. Naligo na rin si Maxine. Ganitong oras kasi talaga kami naliligo. After namin gawin yung mga bagay. Yeah, this is like, or for me ha, yung shower time talaga yung self-care time ko. Maraming nangyayari sa shower, guys. Isa na doon ay may iisip mo yung jowa mo, syempre. Char! Hindi, may isip mo yung, ewan ko, sobrang relaxing kasi for me ng shower time eh. So, doon ako yun yung perfect time ko na mag-isip kung ano yung mga gagawin ko na bukasan with my schedule. I love shower time. Let's just wait for it to dry. Oh, and by the way, guys, look at these babies. Super cute! Yeah. This came from Sir Lawrence. He's a regular customer from the cafe and a good friend of mine. Binigyan niya ako ng ganito. Sobrang cute. Parang itong flower, oh. I love this so much. So perfect. Pang center table. Thank you, Sir Lawrence. Ang gaganda. Oh my gosh, ang tagal niyang natuyo, guys. Dati kasi hindi na ako makapagsalita. Ganyan na lang. Dati kasi, tinatapat ko talaga to sa fan. Eh, wala akong fan dito ngayon. So, let's remove. Oh. Wait, paano ba to? Let's start from the bottom area. Oh, grabe oh. Sobrang ng face ko. Okay. Now we're done with the peel of masks. Alas 12:30 na, guys. Yeah, 12:41 PM na. Grabe. Grabe naman tong skincare routine natin. Pero, ano yan. So, we're done with the mask. Now, we can proceed with the moisturizing. So, ito yung ginagamit ko to moisturize my face and also to get rid of the pimples. To keep my face soft and moisturized, kailangan gumamit tayo ng matindi-tinding moisturizer. And for that, I use coconut oil for my face. And ito yung kakagawa ko lang kanina. Ito lang siya. Ito lang yung buong nyog. Yeah, isang buong nyog. Ito lang yung makukuha mo talaga sa kanya. So, ayan. In-on ko na siya. You just have to turn this. Tapos, ang sarap, guys. Grabe, ang sarap niya i-glide on sa face. As in, parang na-activate niya every cells ng face mo. Dito naman tayo sa kabila. So, ayan. Parang nung nabili ko to, ang sabi sa akin, ang sabi doon sa description, ayun nga, na-regulate niya yung circulation ng blood on your face. Kaya, syempre, so yeah, I'm done with the face massage, guys. As you can see, ganyan talaga yung finish niya, oily and all. But, that's okay. Matutuyo din naman yung oil sa skin ko eventually. Antok na talaga ako. Ganito pa lang papalang pag sobrang gabi ka na mag-vlog mo. As in, ayan, antok na yung mata ko. Wala na naman akong tulog nito. But yeah, I will update you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video kung sa palagay nyo nakatulong sa inyo at makakatulong din sa iba. And I'll see you all again on my next video. Bye! Good night!